HLLC exam result 2022. The name of our school is St. Joseph School, Sonari. The metric students of our schools were 109. Of these, 18 students got distinction, 29 students got star marks, 29 students got first division, 26 students got second division, and 1 student got third division. The pass percentage of our school is 94.5. Today we had a felicitation program for the metric student, for those who received distinction star marks. We are grateful to the students who received the distinction star marks. They have come out successfully. This is the fruit of their hard work. We are grateful to the parents for supporting them. We are grateful to the teachers who supported them for 12 years. Now, from the school, we wish them all the best for their future studies and career. Thank you.